Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile AREYZIN plastic storage baskets with lids, a set of 6 durable and sturdy organizers perfect for any space in your home or office. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, these baskets are designed to last, offering a reliable solution for all your storage needs. The stackable design, complete with lids, ensures stability and allows you to save space while keeping your items dry and dust-free. Whether you're organizing shelves, desktops, closets, playrooms, or classrooms, these baskets are up to the task, making them ideal for storing everything from bath accessories and kitchen supplies to toys and craft projects. With dimensions of 10.4 by 7.3 by 5.1 inches, these baskets offer a deeper storage option compared to others on the market, allowing you to compartmentalize odds and ends with ease. Perfect for any room, these baskets help maintain a tidy and clean environment, effortlessly fitting into closets, cubbies, and countertops. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more organized life with AREYZIN plastic storage baskets. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.